it's me, Mila Rose, and today we are going to do our April Paycheck One budget. I don't have much to say about this one. It's going to be pretty quick, pretty straightforward and to the point. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, as I mentioned, this paycheck is pretty simple and straightforward. This is my count from the additional clovers. It was so loud. Oh, it's a trash can going by. This is my count from March paycheck to closeout, so that I'm tracking how much I was saving, so I can actually make sure my counts make sense now, because I know y'all have witnessed my confusion about that. So I'm starting to add those up together and keep those. And then we had paycheck of 1731 plus the 1058 from the other account to equal 2799 for this one. Should be our total. And then we had 300 for envelopes. We had a mortgage of 1933, Adobe $25, electricity was $149, which I'm happy. That's a little bit more of what I'm thinking I'll be paying for electricity, but also it's finally spring and I feel like my house stays relatively cool, which I am excited about. It means it probably doesn't hold heat for nothing, but it stays relatively cool. So hopefully it won't be super hot during the summer, and that'll help keep my electricity bill down. Water is 91. Student loans, and as you all know, they're debating again about what they're going to do with student loans, so I might have student loans to pay in May, I may not, so we'll see. But for the ones that were not paused, I paid $55. Trash is $77. I'm still not sure. I think I paid trash quarterly. I'm honestly not sure, so I just check back every month and see when I actually have to make a bill payment, and then I just am gonna start, of course, tracking it here. Banfield is 54, and then business is 105. Let's add that up and see how much that comes up to. Okay. 300 plus 1933 plus 25 plus 149 plus 91 plus 55 plus 77 plus 54 plus 105. 27. Ooh. Are my numbers right? Hold on a second. Let me add this one. 1731 plus 1058. That's where it is. Okay. Should be 2789. Ooh, okay. 300 plus 1933 plus 25 plus 149 plus 91 plus 55 plus 77 plus 54 plus 105. 2789. Alrighty, so if everything goes according to plan, then I will be able to zero this budget out. I mentioned before that this budget might be the last budget I have that looks like this, because April is a 3 paycheck month, and usually what I do is I'll take that third paycheck and I will use that to make progress towards my savings goals, to pay on debt, to do all that fun stuff with. But because, as you all have seen, I have to take money from one account and add it into this account so I can pay my mortgage. And that's a hassle, and I don't want to do that. So if I go ahead and instead of taking that third paycheck from April and putting that money towards other things, I just keep it and keep going and use that paycheck to start paying towards May. And then transfer some of these things that come out of this account into that other account, it will make it so that I can pay my mortgage and the majority of my bills out of one account and use the other account for additional things. So I am super excited for that. I'm super excited to see if I can make that work. And then that would be all of it. It would just be a start of something new, and it would make my life so much easier. I had a big stretch, y'all. But it would make my life so much easier to not have to every month go to one bank, move money from one bank to the other bank, and then like add it up to see how much it would be and all this other stuff. Like, oh my goodness, it would just make my life so much easier. So that is what I'm going to start doing in May. So my budget will be changing, but it will be for the better. And now we have, let's count up and make sure we have the 55. I'll put this aside for our business. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, there's the other 5. I was like, that's not enough. Okay, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So that's the 55 that's in cash that has to go into an envelope, and then the other 50 is transferred to another account. So that is taken care of. All right, so that's the budget. We are done for Paycheck 1 for the month of April. So thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Take care of your money, take care of yourselves, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.